Now, to a bit of legal matters now, 25,000 young lawyers in Nigeria will gain free online access to up-to-date authoritative law reports to strengthen their knowledge, research, and capacity for justice. The initiative is through a partnership between Senior Advocate of Nigeria, Yemi Akongbe, and the Nigerian law publications, publishers of the leading Nigerian weekly law reports. Kemi Foladiemo reports.
Thousands of lawyers in their first 1 to 7 years of practice in Nigeria struggle with decent welfare and equal opportunity to thrive. Yemi Akongbe SAN says equipping 25,000 young lawyers with free access to the indispensable NWLR portal for a year will give them a major headway in their careers.
There's that huge gap between the lawyers that are fortunate enough to work in the top commercial law firms and everyday lawyer. They bring them to the profession. First, they struggle to have a market that can absorb them. The few ones what would get absorbed by the big law firms, and the majority are left to struggle for mentorship. And that's why you see a lot of talents are leaving Nigeria or they live in the legal profession. And I believe that the only way to fill this gap is for a body like the NBA or even well-meaning senior lawyers to step in and give back and make things that are impactful for young lawyers.
For any meaningful development in any organization, in any country, any nation, investment in youth, especially in their learning, is the most important.
The publishers described this partnership, worth 1.25 billion naira, as having the biggest target of beneficiaries yet. A move, they say, will spur bigger achievements and more impact.
Nigerian Weekly Law Report online gives a huge value to every lawyer. It's actually a researcher's haven, is a must-have for every lawyer. And this tool gives access to the Supreme Court cases from 1985 to date and the Court of Appeal, 1985 to date with weekly updates.
You have to give back. People believe that besides just paying their bar practice fee, what do they get in return? Nothing. The training they pay for, everything they get they pay for. But it cannot be like that. You have to get the leaders that have the heart, that cares, and want to fix things. And that's the only way we can move the association forward.
This project, which kicks off in February, is also being done to honor the NWLR's late founder, Gani Faweimi SAN, whose legacies in legal defense, free education, and youth development outlive him. Kemi Foladiemo, TVC News, Lagos.